Hey everyone, welcome back to English Story Days. Today we begin a brand new suspense story called The Disappearing Village. This story has 10 episodes. In each part, you will learn English through the story. So listen carefully, repeat sentences, and enjoy the mystery. It was quiet evening. Sia, a young school teacher, was sitting at her desk. Suddenly the postman knocked on the door. Knock, knock. He handed her a letter. Sia was surprised. Nobody sent her letters these days. She opened it. The paper was old, and the handwriting was strange. The letter said, "Come to Sundarpur before the next full moon. The truth about your past is here." Sia's hands began to shake. She whispered, "What does this mean? Why should I go there? And who sent this letter?" She read it again and again. Her heart was beating fast. Let's learn some sentences from today's episode. Repeat after me. 1. What does this mean? Use it when you don't understand something. Number 2. I can't believe it. Use it when you are surprised. 3. Should I go or not? Use it when you are confused about a decision. Now, repeat with me slowly. What does this mean? I can't believe it. Should I go or not? Good job. So, back to the story. Sia looked out of the window. The moon was bright. Somewhere in the distance, a dog was howling. She held the letter close to her heart and whispered, "I must know the truth." The decision was made. She was travel to Sundarpur, but deep inside she felt something dangerous was waiting for her. What will Sia find in Sundarpur? Why did someone call her there? And what truth about her past is hidden? We will find out in the next episode, The Silent Train. So, friends, this was the beginning of our suspense story, The Disappearing Village. Today, Sia received a strange letter that could change her life forever. Now, tell me in the comments, if you got such a letter, would you go or would you stay at home? Think about it. Sometimes life gives us a choice: stay safe or take a risk to discover the truth. Don't forget to practice today's sentences. What does this mean? I can't believe it. Should I go or not? Practice them, use them, and your English will get stronger every day. And remember, every big journey begins with just one small step. Sia has taken her step. Now the mystery begins. Stay with me because in the next episode we will travel with Sia on the silent train. You don't want to miss it. So for now, bye and take care.